Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this video is about how to uninstall and reinstall a new air filter in your home. First, you gotta locate where your air filter is. Mine was in my hallway on the floor. That was kind of interesting. I have a two-story house, but this is the main vent for where my air goes in and out of my house. And through this one vent, it circulates the air through my house, through the ducting in my home. What's really interesting, I had not changed my air filter in way too long, maybe years. It was absolutely filthy. And so was the chamber of where the air was sucked up to go through my full system. Take a look at the filth collected on my air filter. I have a fork and a knife here because it's so thick you can almost cut it like steak. And here I am bringing the fork and the knife up to show you how that dust will just leave the air filter in clouds of filth. Oh, how terrible I had been by not changing my air filter. Maybe at your house you have the same issues, so make sure you change your air filters. You should be changing them every 3 months and sometimes every month. If you have fires in your area or a lot of pollen or a lot of pets, somebody's got to give me a ticket for taking this long to change mine. I had to clean the inside of that chamber really well. I didn't realize that that was an issue, that all this dust, even going through my previous dirty, filthy air filter, would also bring the dust into my venting system. Wow, another reason why to change your air filters often. After you remove your old air filter and clean behind it, then you're ready to put the new one in. Here I am with my old one, and the new one. Check out the difference in the color. One is a charcoal, almost black color. That's the old dirty one. And there is the new one. I reached out to BNX to sponsor this video because they make the best air filters. They're the Merv 13. And it's great for replacement of air conditioners, furnaces, HVAC systems. They have many different sizes. The BNX filters are made in the USA and they're made sustainably. All BNX filters are electrostatically charged filters with an industry-leading low airflow resistance. That's what you want. It's a 100% synthetic electrostatically charged air filter, and that outperforms any standard fiberglass filter and adopts the latest in the electrostatic filtration technology. And BNX's filtration technology is what makes it a leader in the industry that has a superior low airflow resistance. They come in all kinds of sizes. This is the size I needed. Mine is a 14-inch by 30 by 1-inch thickness. The filtration system is so fine, it even captures viruses. Of course, they cannot guarantee they're going to keep your house free of COVID, but they do guarantee that they capture viruses so that when your air flows through your house, the viruses get stuck on one side. Of course, if you're sitting in your living room talking to someone with a virus, you might get that virus. But this keeps viruses from going through your whole house and distributing those viruses from one room to another. This is why you really need a really good air filter at this time. It also helps with mold spores and dust and pollen, so it keeps your home allergen-free by having your air flow through this. Smoke? Imagine all the wildfires and smoke that are happening right now in the United States. During those heavy periods, when you have pollen and smoke, you're going to want to replace this maybe every 30 days. They're very inexpensive, and they come in multi-packs. The BNX air filter has a Merv 13 rating, and that means it can capture 93% of airborne particles to the tiny size of 3 to 10 microns. Smoke and pollen, pet dander, allergens, dust, lint, mold, dust mites, smog. Even odors are captured in this BNX air filter. I've researched the company BNX. They're a wonderfully high-quality company in the United States that makes their products here in the United States. They make all kinds of filtration systems, even ones for your face, like a face mask. I did a whole video of their many different kinds of face masks. You might want to check that out too. So when you get your BNX air filters, this is how you put them on. This was a thrilling day for me to put my BNX air filter into my decking system. It was time I replaced that old filthy filter with a brand new clean one. Of course, before you install your air filter, you're going to need to remove the plastic wrap and the label. But don't remove the cardboard framing. That's got to stay. And when you're working with the filter, you got to make sure you locate the arrows on the filter because the airflow is supposed to go a certain way. And those arrows let you know what to press into your system. So the airflow will come on the other side to go through your filter the proper way. And the arrows are really easy to see right on the side. They let you know the direction the airflow has to go in from your house into your ducting system. I like that. Even I could figure that out. It was so easy to change out this air filter. Even I could do it, so I'm sure you can too. And with the twist of a couple of screws, I put the metal grate right over the air filter. And within 48 hours of the air going through my new air filter, my whole house is going to have that clean air. That's how fast it works. When I ordered my BNX air filters, they arrived right to my door. They came in a box. I'd gotten a lot of samples and a lot of them. I got 3 orders of them, but let me just show you what one order comes like. I unwrapped them and I put one on my counter, and I want to show you a little bit more of the specifics of them. There's a higher pleat count than most filters. There's also a diagonal support. Now you can see that with this very thick, heavy cardboard that really holds the shape in that diagonal pattern outside of the filter. The frame is extra heavy duty, so it's easy to work with, yet it's not going to fall apart within your system. And within it, there is a laminated steel grid. That's going to make a very secure, strong filter that's going to stay in place. I'm Rebecca Brand. Click the link below to get your BNX air filters in whatever size fits your vent. They have them all. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a much needed one for a new air filter to breathe clean air in your house. An important recipe. Thanks. Bye-bye. See you next time. To breathe fresh air again. If you like this video, here's some more on lots of household tips that we all need to know right over there.